Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from Mathematics for Economics. The question is, for the function f of x1 comma x2 equals to x1 squared x2, verify Young's theorem. Now what is Young's theorem? According to Young's theorem, cross partial derivatives are same. According to Young's theorem, cross partial derivatives are same. What does it mean? It means that del 2f by del x1 x2 equals to del 2f by del x2 x1. We have to verify this for this function. Now f of x1 comma x2 is given as x1 square x2. Then del f by del x1 is, that is, we are differentiating this thing partially with respect to x1. In other words, we are differentiating this function with respect to x1 keeping x2 constant. That means x2 here, then we differentiate x1 square, it becomes 2x1, that is 2x1 x2. This is del f by del x1. Now we do del f by del x2. We differentiate this function with respect to x2 keeping x1 constant, that is x1 squared, it is constant, and then we differentiate x2 with respect to x2 becomes 1. This is x1 squared. Now del 2f by del x1 x2, this is del of del x1 del f by del x2, that is del of del x1 del f of del x2 is x1 squared. This is 2x1. If we differentiate x1 squared with respect to x1, it becomes 2x1. Now we do del 2f del x2 x1. This is del of del x2 del f by del x1 equals to del of del x2, and del f by del x1 is what? 2x1 x2. 2x1 x2 is, we differentiate 2x1 x2 with respect to x2, it becomes 2x1. Now this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we get del 2f by del x1 x2 equals to del 2f by del x2 x1. That means Young's theorem is verified. Is verified. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.